And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kites that are swooping and diving through the air. Now let's count seashells. I see 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 7 butterflies doing tricks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pink one, a green one, purple, red, blue, orange, and yellow. It's picnic time! I just can't wait. How many cupcakes? There are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Some with chocolates on top, some with a cherry, a strawberry, and some with little stars. Yummy. They look delicious, don't you think? And Bear thinks so as well. How many socks are on the line? Let me see. There are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 socks on the line. Can you see? Oh. We'll snuggle in our cozy den. Let's count the stars. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 little white stars. Oh, beautiful. Will you sleep as well? Like Jelly Bear here, and the little pig and the giraffe? Let's snuggle in our cozy den as well. And the mouse is sleeping here as well. Good night. Now we've counted up to 10. Let's start from 1 and count again. 1 apple, 2 bees, 3 birds, 4 boats, 5 kites, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seashells, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 butterflies, 8 yummy delicious cupcakes, 9 socks with dots and stripes, and 10 little white stars in the night. The text was by Libby Walden and the illustrations by Annette Heiberg and Artful Doodlers. This was Count with me, Learn with Jelly Bear.